Hi, my name is Alex CARLUCCI with Gustan Cho Associates. I want to talk about the first payment due date because a lot of people don't know this, and it's such a great little tidbit to have in your back pocket when you're buying a house and you're planning financially where the money's going to come from, how much money you need to close, blah, 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 how am I going to make it, how am I going to buy furniture, how am I going to decorate my house after I close. Well, here's the great news. So let's say you're tight on money, and let's say you're trying to buy a house at 3% down, 3.5% down, and you ask the seller to pay all your closing costs. Well, here's the good thing. So if you want to really maximize on your dollars, you can close in the very beginning of the month. So let's say you close June 4th. And when you close June 4th, on your closing costs, they're going to charge you interest from June 4th to June 30th. Now that's standard on all loans, every single loan I've ever done. If you close on June 25th, you have to pay the interest from June 25th to June 30th. That's a lot less. That makes your closing costs less. But let's say you want to close on June 4th and that your closing costs are more, but your mortgage broker is smart like me, and we ask for that all to be credited. So you don't pay that interest out of your pocket. It's built into your kind of your purchase price, I guess. So all those interest, that whole month is credited to you by the seller, and all mortgages you get to skip the following month. So let's say you move out of your place in May 31st and you live in a hotel for 2 days or whatever, and you move into your house on June 4th, you're not going to make a mortgage payment until August 1st. And your June was covered in your closing costs, so your closing costs were higher, but they were covered by the seller. You have 2 months of not having to pay really any rent. So now you can get through maybe getting gift funds from your family for down payment. Now you have time to save up for furniture. A lot of people don't know that. You always skip 1 month. The earlier you close in the month, the more your closing costs will be, but you still get to skip the next month. But if you get the closing costs credited to you, that extra money that you would pay for the higher closing costs would be built into your loan, and it leaves you money free to save up to buy furniture or whatever else you need, moving cost, anything you need, you save money. So that's the trick to reducing how much money you're going to need right after you close. So get your closing costs credited, make sure they cover that long, big interest payment from the beginning of a month to the end, and you're going to skip the next. That's 2 months of you living free, and it's going to give you a lot more money in your pocket. I know that's confusing. If you've got any questions, call me anytime at 630-915-7550, and please subscribe.